Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Market conditions mildly bullish in this bull market. We really didn't get much of a move at all yesterday, and momentum hasn't shifted at all. Neither has breadth, so we're still stuck right in this price range. Pricing activity here you can see on SPY, just stuck in this consolidation pattern right here. Really need some kind of catalyst to get things moving here, a breakout one way or the other. It's still continuing to have this overall bullish bias where dips are continually being bought into. Buy-sell ratio is starting to turn over right here. You can see now these are kind of squeezing back together, and again, that's a bullish, traditionally a bullish type of look when we get that three-part move. In this case, it's a little tighter and smaller right here. You can see another example of that right here. Three parts, not always looking exactly like this, but typically these are taking place in three parts. So we start to see that, and especially where they're coming closer back together again. Again, it just has that bullish tone. We just haven't had a real good confirmation move yet, but it's starting to lean that direction. That's still the bias to be focusing on, is to the upside. Muscle stocks currently, some new buys in the new buy list. CBay, which has been a kind of a consistent stock, just chugging along in this overall uptrend, looking good here. That's the top stock in the list. We've got a couple of other nice looking names in here. INTT with the potential breakout up into that extreme range. RCEL, also a nice consistently looking, consistent chart pattern, good solid uptrend over the last year, for the beginning, since the beginning of the year on this 6-month chart. And ANNX, deeper retracement, now working its way up and looking for some continuation on that stock. SGML, Sigma Lithium, a little bit of a choppier looking pattern. If we go out on this to the 1 year to try and get a little bit of context, you can see that it's had this pattern. It's been working on this uptrend, and now it's retesting really for a third time, approaching this retest. Keep an eye on that one for potential breakouts. We've seen a few that get to this level and then they immediately pull back and reverse. So that's kind of market conditions right here, approaching this resistance area. Some of these big winners that have had good runs this year maybe start to pause. If we see a shift back over into a different sector, such as tech, something like that, we go back into our indexes and take a look at market ETFs. Actually, I wanted to go to sectors, go to sector ETF and scan by this past month. Tech has been working so far this month. Consumer services, consumer goods, kind of those bearish or conservative recessionary type trades. If we see a switch maybe going back to energy-based materials, we haven't seen that, but that trade may be out of favor. Healthcare and some of these others are stuck right in the middle, although those biotechs have been really moving quite well. If you don't have full access to the site and software, you can sign up with the link below, and we look forward to having you. Have a great day.